Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming Windows build and Directx details so you know what target you have. This matters because mismatches cause initialization failures. Next, close the game and turn off overlays like Steam and Discord, since they inject DLLs that conflict. Once done, back up saved games and verify integrity through the launcher to restore corrupted files quickly. Make those checks now so later steps modify only clean files and drivers. Now update your GPU drivers using they for a clean uninstall, then install the latest package. This removes leftover files that cause Directx errors. After that, reinstall the Directx runtime and both Visual C++ redistributables. Many games require specific redistributables for native modules. If errors persist, replace or register key DLLs like D3, D11, DLL, and DXGI. DLL using system file checks. These files are the bridge between game and GPU. Finish by running SFC and DISM to repair your Windows system image. This replaces corrupted system files that reinstallers miss. Then launch the game as administrator and lower render settings, or switch between DirectX 11 and 12 to test stability. These changes reduce GPU handoff issues. If problems continue, roll back to the previous GPU driver or use a Windows restore point. That single troubleshooting tip often undoes a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.